guys, I'm I'm here with your exercise number 1.2 of mathematics, lesson number 1, mathematics logic. So let us begin with the exercise. Question number 1. Express the following statement in the symbolic form. First, E is a vowel or 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So here first statement is P is a vowel and Q is 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Then in symbolic form it will be P and Q. As in the second video I have shown you how to make the table of conjunction, disconjunction, negation, conditional or implicational statement or biconditional or double implicational statements. And for in the first video I have stated you that for the statements we need to use the letter like P, Q, R, S. So I have used here P and Q. P and Q. Second, so let us begin with the second problem. Mango is a fruit, but a potato is a vegetable. So P is mango is a fruit and Q potato is a vegetables. Then P and Q, because here the word but it has come, but is also a conjunction. So the symbol is used and. Third, milk is a white or grass is green. So P milk is white and Q grass is green. Then it will be P or Q because word is used or we will need to use V. Fourth, I like playing but not singing. So first sentence P, I like playing, Q not singing. Then it will be P and Q. For because here it is used but it is a conjunction, so we need to use the symbol. Fifth, even though it is cloudy, it's still raining. It is a conjunction. P, even though it is cloudy, and Q, it is still raining. Then it will be P and Q. Symbol is used. So let us begin with the question number 2. Write the truth value of the following statements. First, Earth is a planet and the moon is a star. P, Earth is a planet. Q, moon is a star. Moon is not a star, it is a satellite. So then in the symbolic form it is P and Q because your word is used and. So P is true and Q is false. Therefore, I have explained you the table of the truth value of conjunction. In that only TT is true, other all are false. So it is false. As we need to show this one. This is very important. T and F is equals to F. And this is the statement as the one of the substatement are false. Therefore, the T and F is equals to false. Second question. 16 is an even number and 8 is a perfect square. 8 is not a perfect square though, therefore it is false. So it is and conjunction statement. So the truth value will be false. This is written in the short form. For the who use the short form, for it is for them. I have explained in the brief way and also in the short form. You should prefer any one of them which you like. So let us begin with the third question. A quadratic equation has two distinct roots or 6 has a 3 prime factor. So first statement is quadratic equation has two distinct roots, which is Q has 6 has 3 prime factors and P is true and Q is false. So it is or statement. So in or statement we have seen that ff only is false, other are true. So it t or v f is equals to true. The truth value is true. Don't be confused in between the conjunction and the disjunctions. You need to understand it. If you write the table 3 to 4 times, you will get to know. The Himalayas are the highest mountains, but they are part of India in the northeast. Here, answer P. The Himalayas are the highest mountains. Q. They are the part of India. In the north, here the word used but. But is a conjunction. Therefore, it is in the symbolic form P is true and Q is also true. Here the symbol is used. It is true. Its truth value is true because both are true. In the conjunction or truth table, we have shown TT is true as both the sub sentence are true as T and T is equal to T. So we have done with the exercise 1.2. I think we should stop here for today. So guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. So guys, for more videos, comment in the comment section. So bye guys.